Hapadeng ka jing ur jingnam namar ka jing penlip boarding. Managing Director ka MEECL Sanjay Goyal. Uloong ba ka jinglong jingman ha ka bayday bat ka jing penlip boarding hapo ka jala shen kan saman bha. Haba kadaw bat ka jing dawa kalakot siya kumba arspa san po megawatt bat ka jing don ka jong ka boarding kalong shispa nyo po megawatt. Ugoyal uloong ba ka jaka basuda hapadeng ka jing dawa boarding bat ka jing sam kadang don hadu menta. Uloong ruba ka por penlip boarding hasilong ka kamduna kendiat habayanu jor bat kiwe ki benta jong ka jela namar ba ka silong ka dei ka nongba bat ka jinglum ya ki bel hang ni ka kambyang hakwe kalyang ka rilum garu ka mach ka jing ya shi ka dei ha ka jing penlip boarding ka bam duna ya ki spau kenta hapdeng ka jing shet kar ang kasngi ka rilum khasi jantia ru ka mat ya ka jing lip boarding ka bam duna ya ka pra hadu khandai kenta.
There is a gap between the available power which is there with us and the demand which is there in the state. The demand roughly is touching roughly around 250 megawatts, and the availability is roughly around 170 megawatt, which is from our own generation as well as our entitlement from the central generating units which we get from the NIPCO, from the OTPC, and from the Assam Agartala gas-based plant. This gap we are to a certain extent trying to